Welcome back, Jolies. Let's do an eye look together today. We're gonna be using concealer as primer and this Juvia's Place palette. I love this palette, you guys. Like, you can use it for so many things. So yes, you guys, I'm just gonna blend the concealer so I can have like a blank canvas, because as you can see I have some dark circle and stuff. It's not even. So yeah, as you can see, I'm taking this shade and I'm just using for my crease. I'm just gonna pack that right there, and now going with this like brown shade. You can use it for contour, you guys. Your brows, it's, you can use it for so many things. I love it. And this product is so good. So as you can see, I'm just gonna blend that out, make sure it's the way I want it. Remember, you guys, makeup, it's just makeup, it's what you want. All right, if you like it, then period, that's it. So yeah, as you can see, I'm taking like the black shadow just to create some dimension in the outer V. So yeah, just pack that on and you can stop when you like it. You don't have to do the same thing I do. So yeah, now going back with some more concealer just to define like a cut crease, like a soft cut crease, you guys. So yeah, and it wasn't enough, so your girl went back and add some more. Like I said, it's what you want. All right, if it was okay for you, then good, you didn't have to go back. Then again, I didn't like it. So yeah, going with this Huda Beauty, I'm just gonna take the, like, it's like a cream shade and pack that on. With eyeshadow, you guys, sometimes you have to keep packing the product until the color is pay off. So yeah, sometimes it's not the product, all right, it's the method you use. If you want the color to pop more, you use a brighter concealer. Like the primer, you use a brighter one. The brighter it is, the brighter the color gonna come off. So yeah, if you're still here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share. All right, so that's the look, you guys. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.